Good morning, children. Today I am going to start a new lesson, that is Penugolu village that is lying on the hills. Penugolu, a village that is lying on hills. In the previous classes, in the previous lessons, we have discussed about the lifestyle of people who are living on the different landforms like plateau region and plain region. Okay. In the previous lesson, we have discussed about the lifestyle of people who are living in the plains and who are living in the plateau region. Okay. Now in this lesson, we are going to learn about the lifestyle of people and the professions of people on the who are living on the hilly region. Okay. For example, okay, in this lesson, we will see about the people who are living on the hilly region and about their lifestyle, professions and life leadings. In this lesson, we will learn about that. Okay. Before entering into the lesson, we should know about the location of the village Penugolu. Okay. Before entering into that, suppose let us assume that this is the south part of India. Let us assume that this is the south part of India. In the south part of India, the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Telangana are located. Okay, but the Telangana plateau is located in the part of Deccan Plateau. Okay, when we are talking about the Deccan Plateau, it is the Deccan Plateau. Okay, here the Telangana plateau is located. Here in this region, the Telangana plateau is located. Okay, that is why Telangana plateau is the part of the Deccan Plateau. This is the Telangana plateau and this is the Deccan Plateau. Telangana plateau is the part of Deccan Plateau. Okay, at the east side of this Telangana plateau, it is having an Eastern Ghats. Okay, at the east side of this Telangana plateau, it is marked with the mountains or hills that are Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats. Okay, these Eastern Ghats are some of the mountain ranges that are belongs to Telangana or belongs to the Eastern Ghats. The mountains that are located in the Telangana plateau part that are belongs to the Eastern Ghats. Okay, after Telangana, these Eastern Ghats are located. These hilly ranges are spreaded in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu. Okay, in these states, in the AP, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu, along with Telangana, these Eastern Ghats are spreaded. Okay, the Eastern Ghats are generally spreaded, the Eastern Ghats are located at the east side of Jaishankar districts in the Telangana state. East side of Jaishankar district. The Eastern Ghats are located at the eastern side of Jaishankar district. From this Jaishankar district to these Eastern Ghats are spreaded in the states of AP, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu. And Odisha also, in Odisha also, these Eastern Ghats are spreaded. Okay, this is about the hilly regions or hills that are belongs to the Eastern Ghats. The Eastern Ghats, the hills that are belongs to the Eastern Ghats. Okay, now let us see about in these hilly regions, mostly the living people are belongs to the tribal communities. On these hilly regions, mostly the people who are living on the hilly region, those are called tribal community. Mostly tribal communities are living on the hilly region. On hilly region, mostly the tribal people are living. Okay, generally they are belongs to different kinds of tribes. Okay, now let us see the different types of tribes. Okay, types of tribes. Those are Koya, Koyadora, Kondadora, Mandadora, Savara, Gadaba. Okay, these are the different types of tribes or tribal communities that are living on the hilly region. Okay, these are the tribal people who are living on the hilly region in Telangana. Okay, now let us see about the village Penugolu. Penugolu. Okay. Okay. Penugolu is the village that is lying on the hilly region. That is lying on the hilly region in the Mandal Wazid. It is located in the Mandal Wazid. In Wazid Mandal, it is located. It is just 20 kilometers far away from the Wazid. It is just 20 kilometers far away from the Wazid Mandal. Okay, in this Penugolu village, we can see the Koya tribe. In this Penugolu village, the Koya tribe are living. Generally, these Koya people or Koya tribe people are gathering food from the forest products and the forest produce and hunting for their livelihood. Generally, they are hunting for their livelihood and gathering the food from the forest. From the forest produce, they are gathering the food and hunting. They are doing hunting for their livelihood. Okay, now let us see about the Penugolu. Penugolu village is located in the Mandal Wazidu. It is just 20 kilometers far away from the Wazidu Mandal headquarters of Wazir, and in this Penugolu village, the Koya people are living. Okay, generally these Koya people are living Koya language. Koya language. These people are living Koya language. Okay, now in this during this period, these people, some of the people who are living in this on the hilly region, they are migrating to the normal regions. They are migrated to the normal regions. That is why they also learn the Telugu also. They also learn Telugu due to the migration. Okay, to migrate from one area to another area in the state of Telangana, they also learn Telugu language. Okay, this is about the Koya people, and around this Penugolu village is situated at the river bank of Godavari. Okay, at the river bank of Godavari it is located. River bank of Godavari. It was located, and this Penugolu village is surrounded by the hilly regions or hills on four sides. This Penugolu village is surrounded by the four sides by the mountains that are in north side. In north side, the Karregunta is surrounded. In west, in south, west and east, there are different types of mountains that are surrounded the village Penugolu, that are in south side, that is Vankamamidi Gunta. In south side, Vankamamidi Gunta is located. In the west side, In the west side, Kummarikunta. It is the mountain located at the west side of Penugolu village. In the east side, Kallukuntala Gunta. Okay, these are the mountains that are surrounded the Penugolu village. Okay, now let us see once again the Penugolu village that is located in the Mandal Vazidu. It is just 20 kilometers far away from the headquarters of the Mandal, and generally in this Penugolu village Koya people are living. They are speaking Koya language. They also adapted the Telugu to migrate from one place to another place in the state of Telangana, and it is situated at the river banks of Godavari. Okay, this Penugolu village is surrounded by four sides by the mountain ranges that are in north side with the Karragunta, in south side it is surrounded by Vangamamadigunta, in west side it is surrounded by Kummarikunta, and in east side it is surrounded by Kallukuntala. These are the mountains that are surrounded the Penugolu village. Okay. Then how to reach this Penugolu village? All the mountains are surrounded this Penugolu village, but how to reach to the Penugolu village? Okay. Now let us see how to reach this Penugolu village. To reach this Penugolu village, we have to reach from Vazid to Kummadidolli. From Vazid to we have to reach Kummadidolli. We have to reach firstly Kummadidolli. From here onwards, okay, it is the village that is located in the foothills of the Penugolu village. Okay, on the foothills of the Penugolu village it was located, and from this village to we have to climb the hilly region. We have to climb the hilly region. The pathway is to reach the Penugolu village. The pathway is very narrow and very steep. Very narrow pathway and steep pathway. To climb this and to reach the Penugolu village, we have to climb the hilly region. It is in this pathway. It is very narrow pathway and it is having very steep slope. And in the middle of the pathway, we can see the Bogata waterfalls. We can see the Bogata waterfalls in midway of the Penugolu village. While we are climbing from the Kummadidolli to Penugolu, we have to climb the hills. In the mid pathway, we can see the Bogata waterfalls. These are the famous waterfalls in the Telangana. In this hilly region, we can see these Bogata waterfalls. Okay, after this Bogata waterfalls, we can reach the Penugolu village. Okay, this is about the Penugolu village situation or the place, the geographical location of this Penugolu village. In the next class, we will discuss about the different types of people who are living in this Penugolu village and the different professions who are doing by the people of Penugolu and the different types of farms and agricultures. Okay, in the next class we will see. Okay, thank you children.